In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively import records with associations into HubSpot. This guide is ideal for those looking to seamlessly link contacts, companies, deals, or even custom objects during bulk imports. So let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible. First off, it's crucial to understand exactly what you can import into HubSpot. The platform supports importing not only records, but also their associations all at once. This means you can connect two different objects, like contacts and companies, or even create connections within the same object, such as between different contacts. If you have a professional or enterprise account, you can even apply specific association labels to keep everything organized just the way you want it. Now, preparation is key. If you're opting for a single file import, you'll want to set up a spreadsheet that includes columns for each object's unique identifier and any fields you want to associate. Make sure your file includes headers that match HubSpot properties, like email, record ID, or company domain names. On the other hand, if you prefer using two separate files, you need one file per object type. Make sure each file has a common column that acts as a linking key. Something like the company name usually works well here. Getting your associations set up correctly is vital. During the import process, if you're working with same object associations, don't forget to tick the Same Object Associations checkbox. When there are multiple associations in a cell, separate them with semicolons. For those on enterprise or professional plans wanting to add labels, include an association label column in your spreadsheet and ensure these labels are pre-created in HubSpot. Let's move on to the actual import process. Navigate to Data Management and then Import, or simply click Import right from any object's index page. You'll start your import and choose between using a single file or multiple files, depending on your setup. Next, select the types of objects you're bringing in, be it contacts, companies, or others. Upload your files, and if you're unsure about the format, HubSpot offers downloadable example templates that can be super helpful. Decide how you wish to handle each object, whether you're creating new records, updating existing ones, or a mix of both. When mapping your columns to HubSpot properties, pay attention to association-specific columns. Select Association under the Import As dropdown, and choose the correct unique identifier property like email or record ID. In situations where you're importing from two files, you'll need to define the common column and determine which object it corresponds to. Finally, once everything is imported, go to your record pages like Contact or Deal Records, and check the right sidebar to verify that all objects are correctly associated. If you included labels during the import, these should be visible alongside each association. There you have it. By following these steps, you'll be importing records into HubSpot with confidence, ensuring all your data is organized exactly as needed. Happy importing!